So we're here today at Cleva Technologies, and I'm here with Larry Canipe, one of the managing directors and the founder of Cleva Technologies, and we're here to talk about two of their amazing brands, the Vector Climate and the Spartan brands. Larry, how you doing today?
Great day today in South Florida. Love it.
That's right. So, Larry, maybe you could tell me a little bit about the inspiration for this organization and this business and the brands, the Vector Climate brand that you guys have a tremendous amount of success with.
Yeah, thank you. So, absolutely. So, Cleva is a design company. We design consumer products for many, many years. We've been around since mid-2000s, 2006 to be exact. And, we always pride ourselves on doing consumer product branding, safety, compliance, and innovation. So we've been pushing that for a long time, and then we kind of looked at this space in about 2018 and thought outdoor climate control systems, what's being done today. So we thought, hey, there's some room for innovation.
Right.
So we got together with some of the really key people within our organization and sat down and said, what does this industry need?
Right.
And so when we looked at innovation, we decided to kind of focus on core functions. One was small footprint, very quiet, improved aesthetic, improved performance, cost benefit, versatility. These are some of the factors that drive our product design and everything that we do.
Right.
Transportation, you'll see some features here on how we package. We start with how do we package our product. And one of the most important things is, as I tell everybody, anything that we do within the Cleva organization, it's the sum of our parts.
Right.
And those parts include excellent products from TRC,
right,
and the materials that we use in the construction of our materials, but most importantly, our people.
Right.
That is a really important factor for what makes our product exceptional, is the people that you see behind us doing what they do best, the people behind the scenes, the administration, the design, the operations. These are key individuals that make products successful. So when we go to look at products and we look at our design process, what's the first thing we do? Look for high quality, reliable products from TRC. One of the brands that we certainly buy from you is Meanwell.
Yes.
Exceptional in their build and quality. So we know confidently as we go forward and we introduce our products to our customers, they're extremely happy with our product.
That's great. So you talk a lot about the people, and I know that's really important for you to impact the community here first, right? So and maybe you could talk a little bit about that and share some of the purpose of of this organization and you serving the local community as well.
That's a great point. My partner Mitchell Robbins and myself, basically co-owners of Cleva Technologies, we're well diversified in what we do.
Right.
So my partner Mitchell handles a lot of the real estate part of our business, as well as we own some restaurants.
Right.
Farmer's Table in Boca Raton, the Wyndham Hotel,
Yep.
and more recently now we have a new Chinese themed restaurant called Red Pine.
Okay.
Just opened this month, did our ribbon cutting.
Okay.
And then we also have a hockey rink, double hockey rink, ice skating facility called Boca Ice.
Okay.
So we're well diversified in the community. We love giving back to our community. So that's one of the features that we like. We bring people from the community. We work in conjunction with our leaders of the community to show them what we're doing and how we move forward. So we're very excited about that, bringing business opportunity into South Florida.
Right, and we talked a little bit earlier about in terms of developing your people here and having them come in and grow and develop into different roles, you're going to teach them how to do processes and systems and get them to move up in the organization. Can you talk a little bit how important it is for you in terms of making sure that you bring people that are willing to learn and that you can actually develop them so that they can add more value to the world?
Yeah, as I mentioned when we first started, especially with the Vector product, we brought in some couple key individuals that really had high aptitude for their skills, high management ability, very diversified in their skill sets. So we brought these people in first, people that we had known for a long time, people like Andrea Martin, Ray Vivar. These are some of our key people in the organization that we brought in.
Right.
What they brought to our organization was the ability to hire the right kind of people to do the job that we need. And part of that philosophy is we love skilled people, but even if you aren't skilled, we have enough skilled people within the organization to teach them all the right ways to build a product with our experience that we've had through the many years of building consumer products.
Right.
So we have core philosophies within our organization. Be here, do your job, learn, be good for your community, learn, and take what you learn here and grow yourself.
Right.
And that's really a philosophy that we have here.
Yeah, and it's really showing in the quality of the products that the company is producing. When you think about the Vector product, it's a mobile cooling device essentially. And the end consumer who ultimately is experiencing this device would be somebody like in a restaurant, right? Like if you're in a restaurant and you're outdoor eating in a hot area, what are some examples of how we're impacting the end consumer with this product once it gets out there through the network to the consumers?
Yeah, you're speaking to the core insights of what we originally wanted to do. How do we build innovation into outdoor climate?
Right.
Where we're in South Florida, we experience the outdoors every day. The areas that we really target are anywhere that you have that. People want to be outside, they want to do things. And look, let's face it, we just faced the pandemic.
Right.
People love the outside. People learn to love the outside even more because it's healthy.
Right.
As humans, we grew up in the outside. It's only in modern days that we're stuck in with air conditioning, right? So we recognize that this space was just really ripe for innovation. So part of the areas is if you do, people do outdoor eating events. We wanted to create a product that was incredibly quiet, very small footprint, a lot of unique features that are within the Vector product that allow you to put it in a very small space. If you notice on Vector, there are no moving parts.
Right.
It moves air around naturally with our patented technology that allows us to actually cool you without creating a distraction. So that's studying human factors. How is our product being used at the end? Because a lot of our customers are not the end user, they may be distributors,
right,
but our end customer gets to experience our product.
Right.
So we don't always get that per feedback, so we have to look at human insights before we develop our product.
Right.
So by doing that, you do outdoor tents, outdoor weddings, outdoor events. How do we create a product that is not distracting, quiet, small footprint, like it's not even there, but our non-moving innovation that we've got feels like that summer breeze coming and you don't even know where it came from. That's innovation.
So you're totally revolutionizing the outdoor experience when we're dealing with hot weather. And it's not an obtrusive, loud cooling device anymore. It's reliable. So the restaurants or the catering companies that are using this product, they've got a reliable product that they know is going to be going to last. They're not going to have any issues with it. You've got reliable people that are designing this product, that are manufacturing this product, and you make no sacrifice on quality with the components and the design of the product.
Never sacrifice on quality. That's a key item for us, right? We actually add a lot of cost to the product that we actually absorb in many ways, right, in order to make the best product we can. The really key features that you think about, right, is where, the end user of our product, right, the restaurant benefits from people coming back multiple times because it's a comfortable place to go.
Right.
Many times that we've gone to restaurants that don't have any sort of climate control for outdoor, we may think it looks nice outside till you go sit down and enjoy your meal and realize that you got sweat rolling down you and you're not really having the best experience possible until that breeze comes along. Then you go, oh, that feels good.
Right.
Well, we bring that breeze to you anywhere that you might be in this application. So you're at that restaurant, so the ROI for the restaurant, increased business, better customer experience, and we all know that's the end game for everybody.
Right. So we've been partnered together for about 4 years, TRC Electronics and Cleva Technologies, with these couple brands that you guys are having a tremendous amount of success. How has that partnership impacted your business?
Well, you're right. It has been a long. You're actually reminding me how long that has been. I haven't even realized that. It just feels like a few months actually, because it's been a whirlwind of time. But again, it goes back to the core philosophies, right? You surround yourself with the best people, the best components, the best providers for these components. TRC has been an excellent partner for us. It's about trust, right? We know from the sourcing of the part, when it's going to arrive, the value of the component that we get from TRC is what makes our product successful. Knowing it's going to get here, it's going to be here when it gets out, and when it leaves this facility, it's going to be a reliable component. Because the last thing we want is phone calls that says that something isn't working right, and we know by using the right components, we don't get that.
Yeah, you even mentioned earlier a little bit about when you get a service call and you have confidence that it's not going to be the power supply, because if there's an issue with power, you can share that a little bit.
Very rare that it might happen. As I mentioned to you earlier, I said I am the managing partner of this company, right? I'm also a big part of the design factors of what you see in the product.
Yes.
Every call comes in on this phone.
Right.
Any customer, and we have thousands of units deployed out there in the world, it comes in on this phone. Has this phone rang since we've sat there?
No.
And not once.
Right.
Actually, that's not true. Actually, someone called and just wanted to know how much water we held. That was a customer today, but that's how we reliable our products. And our products are active and installed everywhere. I get every call. We don't have a massive customer service network. You know why? Because we have reliable components. That makes a big difference in what we do.
So Where do you see this going? What's the vision for the next 5-10 years? Where do you see this going?
Love questions like that, because the one thing about us, we are innovators.
Yes.
We have a lot of new things coming. You've seen a little bit yourself.
Yes.
May not be able to share that exactly publicly yet,
Right.
but certainly you can see across the room, we've got another product called Spartan coming up the line. That's a little bit of a different type of product. It wasn't focused so much on the smallest footprint. The Spartan product is designed around versatility.
Okay.
It's reliable. Again, another TRC component is actually in that product as well, but it allows us the most versatile product out there. So this had a different marketplace. It's a little bit more industrial,
Right.
allows us to do more versatile things in construction, allows it to be ducted, allows us to do unique things. That product will be also another big movement in the industry is innovation. We're all about innovation. Vector last year, Spartan this year, something new coming next. So it's a lot about innovation and using that. Certainly reliable to have a partner involved at every step of the way. As you know, we get people involved very early in the process. Before you even knew what Vector is going to be, we were already on the phone talking about product. So it's really a nice.
Yeah, that's where we could provide the most value and get in early on the design cycle, even when it's just a concept, because we can help you overcome any of those obstacles with the power conversion product. So, all right, Larry, you shared with me your greatest assets in the organization. What you're most proud of is your people.
Totally.
Right.
Yeah, these are the important factor, right? It's one thing to make a great design, great partnerships, but our partnership continues internally, right? Knowing that people come here proud of a product that we build, we're proud of our customers. I am mostly proud of the people that have created what we have with our business. So, I mean, look at the people. How about the team coming together here? Just for a minute, let me show you the incredible people that make Vector. This is the staff that comes together that creates the products that our customers enjoy. And we are proud of every one of them. Everyone knows, I tell them on a daily basis, my most important thing is my employees, and that's true. Who all gets ice cream on a daily basis? Let's raise up, right? Who gets snacks every day? Right? This is rewarding, and I thank everyone for what they do. I applaud everyone for the work that they do. Thank you so much. This is a great team, and that's what our customers feel when they do that, and we're really proud of that. So.
Yeah, well, Larry, you're a great leader.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for your partnership.
Yeah, and I appreciate it so much.
Yes, thank you so much. All right, back to work. Let's go. We got things to do.